Set WordPress user profile as private automatically after registration. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you set WordPress user profile as private automatically after registration. So non-friend members cannot see their profile. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are active, navigate to Youzify panel, Profile Settings, and make sure Allow Private Profile Settings are activated. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp-custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Paste the copied snippet to the file. Change YZ variable with Youzify. And then, save the file. Now, I will register and activate a new account. And then navigate to the account settings. And here it is. The profile is set as private automatically. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.